This is Karen Ranzi of Feel Fabulous with Food. I'm here to tell you what I eat in a day as a raw vegan now for 30 years, since 1994. And here's what I eat in a day in the spring. It is April 2024. In the morning, I always start with a fruity breakfast. And here today, I'm having blackberries and delicious champagne mango and ripe, delicious pears and bananas. I have this delicious champagne mango, which is ripe and it is looking fantastic. Don't even want to put it down, it's so good. I'm also going to be eating this Tommy Atkins mango. If I have room left after those bananas, the blackberries, and the mangoes, maybe a little bit later, I'm gonna have these two wonderful ripe Anjou pears. Just gonna take a taste now. So that's morning. Morning for me is always a delicious, water-rich, glucose-rich, simple carbohydrate-rich, and calorie-rich fruit meal, because we need to be eating fruit in the morning after a night of fasting. And next, I'm going to get some exercise. I love to get exercise in between my meals, and one of my favorites is rebounding for the lymphatic system. Then late morning into midday, I have one of my favorite smoothies, dandelion mango smoothie with a whole entire bunch of dandelion. I just love it. Great for liver function. And 2 Granny Smith apples chopped, a big chunk of organic mango frozen, I would say about 1 cup, and then another cup of mixed frozen berries. And I'm gonna blend all of that together. Just love sitting outside midday having my dandelion mango smoothie. What a joy. Then I go for my daily walk out in the Colorado sunshine. My early 4 p.m. dinner consists of a giant green salad with a cheddar cheese sauce. And look at all these wonderful ingredients: romaine lettuce, celery, yellow tomatoes, purple rutabaga, local leafy green salad. Here's my plant-based cheddar cheese sauce with sun-dried tomatoes, macadamia nuts, pine nuts, some Italian seasoning, and dulse flakes, and a little garlic and lime, all blended up with about a half a cup of water just to have it move. Now that my sauce is ready, I'm going to start my dinner with a refreshing red grapefruit. And last comes this gorgeous giant salad that I've created with all of these wonderful ingredients, along with my delicious carrot beet bread. I'm just having a few slices to top off my meal. I pour on my scrumptious plant-based cheddar cheese sauce, and I am ready to start my meal. And you can get my recipe for the carrot beet bread in the description below. If you are interested in becoming a health coach in the vegan and raw food niche, join my Facebook group, Aspiring Vegan and Raw Food Health Coaches. You can find that link by looking below in the description, clicking on the link, and it will take you right there to my Facebook group. And I will look forward to seeing you on the next video.